If you have naturally wavy hair and want to enhance your curls, the right products and techniques are essential. Using a gel or styling cream can help with hold, making your waves a little bit curlier by locking in their pattern, especially if the gel or curl cream is applied on wet hair. Cup the bottom of your waves and scrunch your hair upward when washing and after applying product to preserve your hair pattern and bring out your strands' natural curls for an overall bouncier effect. You may also consider using a Denman brush or other curl-specific brushes to define curl clumps, brushing small sections of wet hair to create tension and then shaking out individual curls and scrunching them to encourage definition. Techniques like finger coiling can create smaller, defined curls, while plopping your hair upside down in a towel helps promote volume and reduce frizz as your waves dry. It's important to choose lightweight conditioners if you have fine hair, and to use hair masks weekly for hydration. Always protect your hair from heat damage, and use a diffuser when drying to minimize frizz and enhance curls. For best results, aim for a routine that balances hydration without weighing down your waves and curls.